Your Nigeria TikTok account is useless. Create a UK TikTok account and trust me, you will become a millionaire in the next 2 to 3 weeks. I am telling you this from an experience, right? See, let me walk you around, then I will teach you how to create a UK account without phone number or without having somebody over there or without the VPN. All this bunch of story they are telling you is a lie. You can actually create a UK account anywhere. All you just need is your email address. But before we can create that, let me show you the benefit of having a UK account and delete your Nigeria TikTok account. There is nobody in Nigeria that is earning money. The only way you can earn money in this country, in Nigeria, is by going live. Are you not tired of going live? Yeah? A lot of people don't even know how to go live. So the best benefit is when you post, they will pay you for posting, just the way other social media do. So let me put you through on how you can create it, but let me show you the benefit inside having a UK account, a monetized UK account. So let's go to my tab. Let me show you around.
On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create international TikTok account, right? So let me show you around so you understand what I'm saying. So if you have your account, go to the setting, go to account and click on this. So the first thing you are going to do here now, you are going to click on account info on your own TikTok, right? To check where your TikTok is located, like where your TikTok is created, right? So you can see here now I have the phone number and I have the email, and here you can see account region. So this means where the account is being created. So you can see United Kingdom there. Your account region is, you see, set based on the time and the place of registration. So on this video, I'm going to walk you around why you need either UK, US, or Canada. So let's go to the monetization section. So let me show you why you need this, and very, very important. So the first thing you're going to do here, click on TikTok Studio. So once you click on TikTok Studio, it's going to take you here. You can see where my balance is 0.07, right? All right. So if you get to your dashboard like this, I bet you cannot find this dashboard on any African TikTok account. It can only see you can only see this in UK, US, or Canada TikTok account, or I think Germany also have it. So now you can see we have the balance, we have the estimated rewards, right? You can see reward per post. So the next thing I want you to do is, you can see monetization programs. Click on at the right side there, you can see view all, click on it. So these are all the tools available for monetization. The first one is subscription. We have the creator marketplace, where just like Facebook marketplace, where you can start building your own online store and you can start selling your product. So if you click on it, you can sell stuff there and you get reward for it. So this one is live reward. So their live reward pay more than the normal Nigeria live reward. So you see the third one, people can gift your video without you going live. People can gift your video. They can just watch your video and like, wow, this video is really nice, then they send gifts to it, right? So you can see they have what they call work with artists. So if you click on this work with artists here, let me show you. So you too can start participating. So you see in ends in 5 days time, and this is what they have up. You can see this is a tattoo. I don't know what's that. This is so I'm going to mute it so you can pay attention to what I'm saying. So they say up to 800 pounds, right? So if you participate in this, you can earn up to 800 pounds, right? So if I view details now, they are going to explain to me all you just have to do. This one is going to end in 4 days time, and it's a challenge. I can change him, capture, okay, CapCut challenge, so you can see there. So you just have to view the details and try to participate. So then branded mission. So if you click on this branded mission, there are other programs that you can make use of as well. So here now, if you click on live incentive program, so this one, if you click on this, they just want you to make some video, then they will pay you for it. So you can see remaining reward. So they say you should like the best live interaction, share your interactive live experience. So they just want you to make a video, tell them how your live interaction moments has been, like the engagement and stuff like that. You should just like, hey, what's up when I was live. This is, you tell them how your life and the growth, and so that people can watch the video. It's just like a testimony, so that people can watch your video and start going live as well. Then you will be among people that they will pay that money, right? So if you want to check your reward, you click your reward at the bottom right, so you can see it. So this is the video I submitted before, and because I have been busy, I was unable to get qualified for it. So you can see service. So click on the service, then you have another one. So here you can decide to, if you're a therapist, you can decide to set your own stuff. Or if you want to be creating tutorial, you can decide to set up a service you render here. So you see that this particular one has a lot of tools that you can use for your monetization. So you can see, so I just decided to take you down here. So you can see, so this is subscription. Like I said, this is work with artists. So you can see other one, but there's something I want you to pay attention to here. So here are all the monetization, right? All the monetization. So as time goes, TikTok is going to notify you if you're eligible for one or not. So, but the important one that I want you to pay attention is the number 3. You can see where it say creator reward programs. So that one you are saying is, you see what it says there. It says create videos that are 1 minute or longer to get rewarded on qualified views, right? So I'm going to click on that. Pay attention, very very important, right? Very very important, because this is where the fun begin and where you earn money. You are so close to joining creator rewards program. So this is what they say: collect reward for your 1 minute plus video, more reward for quality content, monetize with other top creators. So they say to join you must be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. So you can see how simple it is. And here you have about 6,000. All right. So if you have all these category, they are going to notify you, and all you just have to do is verify, put your account number there, then they pay you per view. Easy peasy, so easy. All right, so this is the monetization why you need a UK or US TikTok account. So okay, it's going to take me here. So whatever things you do and you get yourself here, this is what I want you to do. You can see sign up for TikTok, right? So you can see all this bunch of stuff. US phone number, leave that. Come down to continue with email, leave that. Come down to continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, continue with Google, just leave that. Now I want you to read something very very carefully. They said, by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you must agree to our terms of service, acknowledge that you have read our private policy. Then you can see already have an account login. So now this is what I want you to do. Read again. By continuing with an account located in Nigeria, click on where it says Nigeria. Then change the country to the country you want. So for example, let's say if I'm creating a Canada, so I'll just click on Canada. Now read it again. By continuing with an account located in Canada, you must agree to her. So now automatically you are in Canada, right? All you just have to do is continue with email, right? Then just put email there. So once you put email, then click on get trained blah blah blah, then click on continue. Before you know, you have created a Canada account, and it's so easy.